So they have more roll bags here. Should I get one of each? This is only 125 at Dollar Tree though. So look at all of these yellow clearance tags. I'm gonna get this one. It looks like 75 cents. This is bigger than this. And then down here you have like I think it's about the same size as Costco. $5. I can't remember how much is it in Costco. We don't make tacos, but you never know. For $5. And when is expiration? Right there, next year. So little over a year. That's a good deal. Yeah, I think it's the same size as Costco. But for $5, yeah, that's a good deal. What else here? Almost all of these are on clearance. 50 cents on some of them. It's not ice cream season, but Blue Bunny is on sale. It's not on red, but it says rollback. I don't know if it's all Walmart. So I'm gonna try this and maybe this one. Or maybe soft serve too. They have red tags. This one is only $2. 100 calories, 10 bars, tins, peanut butter, dark chocolate. I'm gonna try it for $2. Got 3 bags. Shouldn't be 5 bags.